first ponytail will section into 3 and the second into 2. Take your first ponytail, starting on the right, section off the outer 1/3, placing it out of the way. Then section off the outer right half of your second ponytail and hold it in your right hand. And then divide the remainder of your first ponytail into 2 and take the remainder of your second ponytail and bring it up in between those 2 top sections. So your first ponytail is divided into 3 going down, and your second ponytail is divided into 2 going up in between your sections, like this. Sounds way more confusing than it is, I promise, but that's the pattern. This next hairstyle is a mix of a half up and a ponytail. So begin by placing your thumbs above the front of your ears. You just want to trace upwards towards your crown. This will allow you to gather the top half of your hair while you still have hair hanging down. Alright, one sectioned off, secure your section with a small hair elastic. Alright, next, about 4 fingers down from your previous hair elastic, you just want to secure another one. Now we're going to turn this section into a topsy tail. So use your index fingers and thumbs to make a big hole above your elastic and just flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through. And then starting at the bottom, you just want to pinch and pull in your twists to fan them out, give them some volume, and this almost makes them look like a fishtail braid. It's pretty cool. Next, take the rest of your hair and gather right where that topsy tail ends, and you just want to secure all of your hair together into a ponytail right over that last elastic that we put in. Then to match the top to the bottom, just gently pull on small pieces in the lower half to loosen it up.